So I'm not even gonna lie, this is the second time that I've tried to film a clean with me video. Because I am so lazy. Hey guys, welcome back to yet again another video. In today's video I am actually going to clean. Today we're cleaning my room and my bathroom. It is disgusting. It is shameful, actually. It is currently like 12:30 in the afternoon. I am going to see how quickly I can power clean this monstrosity that is my life. It's time for me to stop procrastinating. It's time for me to start cleaning. Okay, yep, let's go do this thing. Let's go do it. This is what we're working with. It's pretty disgusting. I'm too lazy to walk over there. I'm just gonna zoom in. There's stuff literally everywhere. We got white sauce. Because I am a fatty. We have food. We have, it's just gross. We got a lot. So let's just go ahead and get this thing going.
I'm a man and you're boys. Nothing but cowboys, just like the word says.
Described the prey he hunted before Sanger and Rainsford came along, as it was quoted in Manhunter by John Douglas. I hunt the scum of the earth, silent from trunk sheets. A thoroughbred horse or hood is worth more than a score of them. General Zardoz? Zoroth is Zoroth. Did his son go on to be, what was it, Zangief? Zangief? I'm pretty certain that Zangief's last name is Zoroth, so Zangief Zoroth, and this is canon. This is a part of the Street Fighter lore. It's a part of the extended universe.
So it's been 2 days since I have filmed me cleaning my room. And if you can't tell, it's not clean yet. Today we are finishing cleaning. Something that I should have done 2 days ago, but we're here now. I don't know why I'm in, I wanted to give like, I wanted to have those like housewife vibes. hashtag housewife vibes, even though like I'm so single. I'm my own housewife. But yeah, I'm gonna fold some laundry first. That's the first thing that needs to get done. And I think I'm gonna watch the South Park vaccination special because I haven't been able to watch it yet. And if you don't know me, this girl loves South Park. My spirit animals, Cartman, we just vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on and watch it while I am folding some laundry. And I just want to feel like as peaceful and as motivated as I possibly can. So we are gonna get this done. Daggone it. This is the last thing I do. So okay, let's start. Yeah, let's start.
Hey, what you talking about? There ain't nothing like the real thing. Oh, I said, babe, you got me running around. Too many close calls and false alarms. Would you leave? There's another outcome. Where'd we end up? In each other's arms, would you follow all along, knowing where we'd end up from? Oh, I'm talking about the real thing. Our names together have a nice ring. So I'm talking about the real thing. I've seen it before. Is this all we're living or living for? Oh, I'm talking about the real thing.
So there is no point of me trying to lie my way out of this one. It's been like a week. So it has been a while since I filmed me cleaning. And there's just been a couple of days where I just genuinely have either been too lazy or haven't had time to do it. At least I'm being honest here. And then I went ahead and started editing some of the footage, and the day that I wore a dress to clean, I shouldn't have worn a dress to clean. So there's a lot of footage that was lost because my whole world was showing. So some stuff that you're not gonna see is like me cleaning the bathtub and me like doing my bedding, like washing my bedding. Just like some little things like that that I am not gonna redo because effort and time, and I've already done it, you just didn't see it. So, but we're gonna be actually like finishing this room today. I'm tired of it hanging over my head, gosh darn it. And yeah, it's like a really like dreary, sad day outside. So it's the perfect time to just turn on music and clean. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, all right, let's get to it.
Going downtown, we can park bar so we can walk while it's raining. Sun is still out, makes it feel like we'll break into dance like the movies. Taking pictures by the street, our golden hour hits you different. Holding your hand, lead us through town, find a spot to finish our ice cream. Second, I'm getting second, that's how this all turns out. Techno with this body in with liquor fucking nemesis. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry I feel no attraction and none of this winning. Cause I've been so long, so long.
I've thought about it a lot, and this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep pursuing what I'm pursuing. And because of that, you're gonna start to resent me. And you're gonna tell me to ease up on the drumming, spend more time with you because you're not feeling important. And I'm not gonna be able to do that. And really, I'm just gonna start to resent you for even asking me to stop drumming. And we're just gonna start to hate each other. And it's gonna be ugly. And so, for those reasons, I'd rather just...
Okay, we can go ahead and address the elephant in the room. This video took me like 2 weeks to film because I'm lazy, but I'm trying to get better at it, and I am happy to say that everything is clean and, well, that trash needs to be taken out, but you get what I'm saying. Everything is clean and put back in its place, and I just feel so much better about it all. Also, I tried like 2 different type of editing techniques in this video. I did one where I like left the whole clip but sped it up, and then one where I just picked out clips from the sequence but kept it at like full speed. You should understand what I'm saying, like, if you watch the video. Let me know down below which one you prefer, or if you like both at the same time, or neither, or whatever. Let me know. I don't know, just trying some stuff out, you know, just getting wild with it. But yeah, also sorry it's been a minute since I put out a video. I don't have a good excuse. Fear not. I'm gonna try to post one video every week. Probably on Wednesdays, don't know why, I'm thinking Wednesdays, so look out for those. Also let me know if there's any specific videos you would like to see, because I am here to entertain you and do what you want. So with that being said, I love y'all very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.